Hi again, guys, and welcome to FXDD live trading. Today it's 3rd of September. My name is Nenad, and I'm with you trading live. I am proud to tell you that the account that I trade live, it's my FX book verified FXDD account now is on record highs. I will show you that right now and close slowly but safely. We are getting close to my first goal, that is $50,000. Now, as I'm always very transparent and honest, and I'm trading my own created method, it's called Camarilla MACD. This is, guys, how it looks. Okay, so fully verified account, and here it is. The initial deposit is $10,000. Now the account is at record highs above 44k, and I'm slowly going towards my goal of $50,000. The gain is 341.57 percent, and I'm pretty much very profitable with my trades since last 2.5 months. Since I devised Camarilla MACD on 4 hour, basically I had close to 40 trades with only 5 losses. So I think the result is very good, and that's it basically regarding my account. Now it's time to live trade. Before I start, have in mind that forex trading carries a high level of risk. There is no rule for all investors, so please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Also, on these web addresses, sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. Now I will open the platform, and this is it. This is my Camarilla MACD. I was pretty much long on the XAUUSD on gold, but because the price hit this level and then started to reject a bit, I went with full ATR. I was actually trying to get to this target, 1569, but because of this, I closed maybe my trade prematurely. I closed it for 80 pips, but I'm happy with that because I don't chase any trades. Today I made 120 pips trading CAD yen and gold, and I'm very happy for that because, well, both CAD yen and gold went in profits. Of course, I might have left the trade still running, and I might have close to 200 pips of profit. But when you combine everything, last 2.5 months with 40 trades and only 5 losses, I think the result is still great. Although you see that even CAD yen is now trying to get towards the full target. This is Camarilla MACD, my own devised method, and of course it's not free. But guys, we can always think something. Of course, we can go with if you trade with FXDD, then you need to tell me, and we can make something special for FXDD traders. So right now, guys, I'm going to just maybe watch what is going on, and eventually I will make a new setup. This is what I missed. I'm going to scan the chart and see if there is any potential setups. This is what I missed, actually. 55 pips here, but you see when trade happened during the night, in between midnight and 4 a.m. This is the time when I sleep, so I couldn't trade it. Eurodollar is definitely making a counter trend move based on this, as I already explained, piercing line, and this is potential retracement. But anyway, I'm going to sell it when it gets to the point where we could sell. Let's scan for some other pairs and see if there is any potential trade I can take. Yeah, you see the Australian dollar yen actually gave an entry yesterday. It's in between these 5. It's close to head and shoulders, so I'm not taking this, and it's very slow. Okay, you see, I'm scanning now through charts. I missed this one. This was an entry here. Now it's bearish, but I didn't see it was bearish today when I took a look, because for daily time frame was actually blue EMA was above red, and now blue is below. So actually now the time frames are aligned. But well, Next maybe rally could be an entry. Let's scan. I'm scanning, guys. If I see a setup, I will trade it immediately here. I don't mind. New Zealand dollar yen supported at weekly L3. Pretty much nothing to be seen here on the New Zealand dollar yen. Euro yen. Let's scan. I mean, we are scanning through charts. Maybe we will see some setups. Oh, nothing to be traded right now. Okay. Yeah, this is very slow pair. Sometimes it really moves nice, but it's extremely slow. So that is why I avoid it. Yeah, very, very slow pair. Yeah, okay, Swissy. Okay, it's going Euro Swissy. Yeah, nothing, guys. So far, nothing. Everything is already running. So KDN, yeah, I mean, I entered yesterday on my realignment dot, re-entry dot, and the price fell nicely. Okay. So the only thing that is currently telling me, Nenad, you can go short is the Australian dollar yen. Actually, the trade from this point, from yesterday. But it's slow. You see, it's very, very slow. Even from this spot where we had the short trades, it's only 30 pips, and the price is making this shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't like it. KDN was much better because KDN is actually faster than the Australian dollar yen. And it has Canadian dollar as the base currency. That is why I went short yesterday. It was much better. Okay, but then I don't see anything. Dollar CAD, yeah, nothing. This was a good entry. This is tweezers, bullish tweezers, and definitely confirmation from my Camarilla MACD. Hit of Bollinger Band, cross of MAs. When the trend is to the upside. And it's with level 1, 0. So this still has potential. I'm going to go long, guys, on dollar CAD. When I see a retracement and then another cross of MAs, or if I see an arrow or something. So I guess that if the price goes retest 33.30 or 33.00, I might go long on a bullish reversal pattern. Yeah, I'm scanning. We will go 2 more rounds of scanning, and if we have something, we will trade this, guys. If not, then I will just tell you what I can expect and what we can trade. Yeah, still, you see, basically now some trades are already happening, and some pairs are in retracement mode. Dollar yen was good. Yeah, okay, maybe dollar yen would be good later. And I'm not going counter trend anymore because my win to loss ratio drops if I go counter trend. Now I'm strictly following the trend, and I'm very happy with it because there is always something to trade. And as I said, 35 out of 40 trades were winners. So I'm very, very satisfied. This could be an entry, guys, soon. If Euro New Zealand goes up above 74.11, I guess, then these moving averages will cross and we might go along. So I'm going to tell you, if I don't see a trade right now, I'm going to tell you which pairs you should be paying attention to. Also, GBP New Zealand can go up if we see a cross. So Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand. I will place it like this: Euro New Zealand and GBP New Zealand. Eventually, the Australian dollar yen. Yeah, that is it. Basically, I don't think anything major will happen. CAD Swissy, it's not clear trend, so it's neutral. Euro Swissy, GBP Swissy. Yeah, more or less this is it, guys. So what I'm going to pay attention to is the Australian dollar yen short, but I want to see a confirmation of candle like this, Marubozu. Ideally, it won't have any wick to the downside. So if I see a big momentum candle, then that's a potential sign to go short. Euro New Zealand, pay attention. If we see a close above 74.11, I guess then the moving averages will cross and we will have a confirmation to go long. The first qualifier has been met. Bollinger Band was hit, middle Bollinger line was hit, so confirmation would be to go up towards 75.55 and 76.35. And GBP New Zealand also. A close above 91.85 will instill a rally towards 92.27 and 93.70. So the Australian dollar yen, the Euro New Zealand, and the GBP New Zealand. That is what I'm paying attention to. So this would be all, guys. I'm not sure if you have any questions. If you do, please don't hesitate to ask me. I think more or less everything is clear. And you see that the prices are moving, like some pairs are going, like CAD yen, I close it for 40 pips, and gold I close for 80 pips. But a point that is here that the prices are now in retracement mode. So you need to wait for a retracement to finish. Okay, that is important, guys. You need for a retracement to finish before you want to initiate another trading opportunity. Okay, that is extremely important. And if you're still in gold trade, pay attention to 1561 and eventually 1569. I close it, but as I said, I'm okay with profits. Pretty much, I'm very, very, very well with profits right now. Yeah, so this would be all. Okay, guys, I don't see any questions. So I guess everything is clear. If anything is not clear, then again, leave a comment below the video. But I hope that you are very, very happy with trading and how we conduct it, because we always have some good trading ideas, and we have we managed to bring the account up from 10,000 to 44, so we are still going strong. Thank you guys for listening. Pay attention to Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand for potential long trades, and the Australian dollar yen for short trades. See you soon. Cheers. Trade safe.